Pangalawa, ang Pilipinas na may pinakamaraming kaso ng online na pang-abuso sa mga
Ganda-ganda ko naman, post mo nga.
Anong may delay later? Pwede naman ngayon na?
Kinginangin ang mukha yan. Lala ng mukha
Mag-filter ka na lang po ate. Ay, wag na, baka hindi pa rin tumalab. Bullying can happen anytime, anywhere. It can happen at home, in schools, and increasingly behind screens. As the pandemic forced the world into isolation, the internet became a place of comfort, and social media turned into the new normal. Even today, it continues to connect people across the globe with just one click. But amid the likes, shares, and comments, an important question remains. Is this digital space always positive, or has social media become a breeding ground for cyberbullying?
Cyberbullying cases increased compared to the previous years. According to the Cyberbullying Research Center, 1 out of 3 teens experience cyberbullying and continuously increasing nowadays.
According to a 2023 study in PMC Psychiatry, nearly 43% of adolescents globally have experienced cyberbullying. This study links it directly to higher risk of depression, anxiety, and suicidal thoughts.
Hiding behind a screen doesn't make your words less hateful.
Silence is better than online cruelty. Use communication to spread positivity.
The internet should be used to inspire, not spread hate.
bullying, even if it's online, doesn't make you stronger or better.
To anyone suffering from cyberbullying, like what I have experienced, remember that their negativity does not reflect your true value. Keep believing in yourself. You are stronger than you think.